This video is sponsored by Xfinity as a result of being happy with our services. It is an authentic account of our experience and all opinions are our own.
Hey. Okay, so this is, we're new to YouTube. We're new to videos, so bear with us, but we are excited today because we just went to the Xfinity store to pick up a few self-install kits. So they came pre-packaged. The guy at the store told us that they are shipped to the store like this, so no one touches them in that whole process. So we're gonna open them up and we're gonna hope that we can do this in 10 or 15 minutes like he said.
We're gonna have her do everything.
No, I'm gonna video and do nothing because I have to hold the phone. Okay, so Sean just started opening everything. We just kind of wanted to regroup and see what we might need.
Have your coax, Ethernet, power for the router, and instructions in English.
They're very brief, like there's not a lot to the instructions, so we hope that that is
This is literally it.
helpful.
Download the app. We have already downloaded the app, but we haven't explored it yet. So that is going to be our next step. Here's the router. This is for the Gigabit internet. This is the fastest internet that Xfinity currently offers. So I'm extremely excited to try this out.
Me too. All right, what's in the other package?
And that would be the X1 cable box. And here we have the power cable, the super fancy voice remote,
Also super excited about that.
our getting started guide, and the box itself. It's very small.
While Sean is getting situated, I just want to disclose that we just got this table today for like $6 because we want to paint it and refurbish it. Right word?
Good work.
So we're definitely not going to keep our TV on here, but we just thought that this was the most effective way to kind of show this process and easiest way to set it up. We also just got this carpet too, and we really love it. So we don't have a lot of furniture in our new house yet.
So here we are just setting up our xFi gateway. It walks you through it step by step on the app. It is extremely easy. You can just take a picture of the serial number on the bottom of the gateway, hook up your coax and Ethernet, and you're good to go.
Now we're naming our Wi-Fi network. That's a very important decision. Don't mess it up.
What do you want to name it?
That's too much pressure. I need to plan ahead for decisions like that. I think we should go with Just Married 2021 because we just got married yesterday and that's all I can think about, but Sean does not like that choice, but we're running on daylight, so we gotta make a choice. Or I have suggested Ice Cream for Life, Just Married 2021. The Novaks, he doesn't like any of my suggestions.
She also suggested one of the passwords that we use for everything. I think that's a terrible one.
It's what I remember.
After we put in our new Wi-Fi name and password, it said that it was going to set up our network and estimated time 10 minutes. It took approximately 30 seconds. So we didn't even get a shot of that screen. So this is the next screen that we were onto. Your network is up and running. That was easy.
That was really easy.
Ridiculously easy, especially for a self-install kit doing it ourselves. She literally could have done it herself. She was willing to do it.
Should I do the next one?
Sure.
So because setting up the xFi gateway was so simple, we decided that I should set up this next one. And now I don't know if that was a good idea because this book's a little bit more in depth.
I think there's like 3 pages.
But that's different than one thing. All right, but I'm gonna have faith in myself and I don't realize there's something.
You've got this. You have got this.
So we had to move because you need a coax
Yeah, that works.
cable. You need one for the gateway and one for the, what is this called? The cable box.
X1 cable box.
X1 cable box. And so we had to move that into a different room so that we could set this one up. Okay, so there are pictures, so I think that helps.
Yes, definitely.
All right, so we have to connect to your TV box. So we need the coax cable. I'm not reading words, I'm just looking at the picture.
All you have to do here is plug the coax cable in, the HDMI cable in, and then the power cable, and you're all set.
Got it, I got it.
So you can see everything's color coded too, so that's really cool.
Now we're gonna activate the Xfinity voice remote. So pull the tab, which is worded pull, so you can't mess that up. And it already has batteries installed.
Oh, that's great.
Here we go. So you just wait. When you get to an instruction and it doesn't have anything next, you just pause and just. I also think it's worth noting that we walked into the Xfinity store today just to ask a few questions and to see what our options were, and they were like, "Oh, we'll just send you home with these getting started kits or self-install kits," and we were like, "What?"
Ooh.
Oh. Hold the Xfinity in. Oh. Maybe I should read the one.
Well, that was quick. That was
Success. That was easy. We're already on a channel. We've had a really long day, and I was really hesitant to set this up now, and I am very impressed with how fast it went, because we never have a smooth time with anything that we have to set up. So we were gonna end the video, but then we started playing a little bit more, and I'm so impressed with their selection of free movies. Like, these are the free ones that you just get with your service already. My niece is gonna be. Oh.
Is that the one that she?
Yeah, she loves The Grinch, and we haven't.
They have Sonic and Space Jam. Oh my goodness.
Space Jam?
Yeah.
And pets. Oh,
Oh man.
it's like it was made for us. We self-installed our Xfinity service, and we've had it up and running for a couple days. We wanted to make sure that everything was running smoothly before we told you what our thoughts were.
It's been great. I love it. I love everything about it. The internet's fast, TV's great, and I mean the self-install process was literally the easiest thing that you could possibly imagine. Literally anyone can do it. I mean, she was hesitant to do any part of it, and after I did the first part, she was like, "Well, I bet I can probably do this myself."
I did the whole second half all by myself.
She did. It was great.
We didn't have to call support once. Everything has been working and running smoothly ever since.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And so we're gonna give it a couple more weeks just to see if everything continues to go well. See if we have any extra thoughts, but for right now, we're super happy with our Xfinity choice.